If you want to understand your data and track performance clearly, learning how to create reports in HubSpot is an essential skill for beginners. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to build reports step by step so you can analyze your marketing, sales, and customer activities in a simple and effective way. Reports help you identify what is working, what needs improvement, and how to make better decisions. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the main dashboard. From the top menu, click on Reports, then select Reports again. This will take you to the reporting dashboard where you can see existing reports or create new ones. Now click on Create Report. You will see different options, such as pre-built templates and custom reports. Beginners should start with templates because they are easier to use and require less setup. Next, choose the type of data you want to analyze. You can create reports based on contacts, deals, or other activities. Once selected, you will enter the report builder. Here you can customize your report by adding fields, filters, and metrics. For example, you can track new contacts, deal stages, or revenue. Use filters to narrow your data by date range or campaign. Now choose how you want to display your data. HubSpot offers different visualization options, like bar charts, tables, and line graphs. Select the one that best represents your data clearly. After that, review your report to make sure everything is accurate and easy to understand. Once satisfied, click Save and give your report a clear name. You can also add it to a dashboard so you can access it quickly. Dashboards allow you to combine multiple reports in one place for better visibility. In simple terms, creating reports in HubSpot involves selecting your data, customizing metrics, choosing a format, and saving the report. This helps you turn raw data into useful insights and improve your performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more simple and practical guides that help you master HubSpot step by step.